You've been assigned an essay, but you don't know where to start. Hi, I'm April White, and I am here to be your writing coach. I know what you're thinking. I don't need an outline. I just want to get started. But believe me, the outline is your friend because it will help you organize your thoughts and structure all of your ideas before you even start. The first step is the most important one. Make sure you understand the essay prompt. Read the essay question carefully and make sure that you really understand what it's asking you to write about. This will ensure that you do not write off topic. Step 2 is brainstorming. Jot down what you know about the topic and any ideas that come to mind. Should you be worrying about complete sentences during the brainstorming period? Not at all. Focus on key words and main ideas. Remember, you're brainstorming. Step 3 is to organize your ideas. Start by identifying the main points or arguments that you want to address in your essay. Let's say that the essay prompt is about the importance of recycling. This is my opportunity to brainstorm what do I know about the positive benefits of recycling. I'm going to come up with 3 main points that I would like to address in my essay. 3 is a good rule of thumb for middle school and high school essays. Now, in no particular order, I'm just brainstorming my ideas. One thing that comes to mind is that recycling is good because it protects the environment. Let's see. It's good for reducing waste, and ultimately, I think it's good for the community as well. Okay, great. Now I have something I can work with. I really like working with Post-it notes because I can move them around and reorder them as new ideas come to me. So now I've got my headings. These are the 3 main points that I will talk about in the body of my essay. This is the time when I can think about the most effective way to order my sections. I'm going to place my smallest reason first and work my way down to the reason that packs the most punch and leaves the greatest impact on the reader. And now you're ready to write a thesis. Step 4, creating your thesis statement. This is the sentence that tells the reader what your essay is going to be about. It's like the main idea of your essay, and it is essentially the most important moment of your essay. Would it help you to see an example of a thesis statement? Of course! Revisiting our essay prompt and our 3 main sections we plan to address in our essay, I'm now going to put all of that together in one clear and concise sentence. Again, this is the sentence that will tell the reader exactly what to expect in the body of the essay. We'll try a thesis like this. Recycling is crucial for protecting the environment and reducing waste in our communities. Step 5. Now it's time to add some details to our sections. This is where you brainstorm a couple of ideas that go with each topic sentence. Our first section and body paragraph is about reducing waste. Recycling helps us reuse materials instead of throwing them away, so we create less garbage. Recycling saves resources like trees, water, and minerals because we can make new things from old materials. And recycling saves energy and reduces pollution because it takes less energy to make things from recycled material. You will repeat this step for your next 2 sections. Notice we are just using bullet points to jot down our ideas for each body paragraph. This next step you can do in any order, but I kind of like to save it for the end once I have a good idea of the direction of my essay, and that is to tack on the introduction section and the conclusion section. For the outline, you don't need many details. You just need 2 important things: the hook, which is the first sentence of your essay, and the very important thesis, which you've already written. For a hook, let's ask a rhetorical question to get the audience thinking. There are several types of hooks, but we'll address that in another video. Did you know that every time you recycle, you become a superhero for the planet? I think that will work fine because it goes with my thesis. But it's just the outline, so if I decide to change it later, it's no big deal. Okay, time to tack on our thesis. Remember, the thesis is the last line of the introduction. Lastly, leave a spot on your outline for the conclusion. Personally, I don't say much in my conclusion part of my outline. I just use it as a placeholder and put a few reminders in there. I remind myself to restate my thesis in a clear and refreshing way at the top, and at the bottom, I remind myself to end with a strong clincher sentence. The clincher sentence is that last line that packs a punch and resonates with the reader. But I don't worry too much about this in my planning stage, as I know it will come naturally to me in the writing of my essay. Read through your outline, make sure everything makes sense and flows nicely. You can make changes and add more details if needed. Remember, an essay outline helps you organize your thoughts before you start writing. Once you have a good outline, writing the actual essay will be much easier. Good luck! You're ready to get started.